Kisamla pulih kari Bhoi College, hari Bhoi District. Kilala perdana ia katayo lekmen. Lane kajing rakhe, ia ka 35th Annual College Week. Kebaki jurakhe chisin cisnem. Barkani kajing rakhe ban pukutno ia kani katayo lekmen. Kisamla College. Kalalong sisa kaba songkun bat kaba ipu iping. Ia kani katayo lekmen kisamla pulih kari Bhoi College. Lawan Pynhap perdana do MLA kanongpo konstituensi ubak Meral Bonds im kumkongsan. Hakajing adon karu u principal ketika college u Profesor AC Bamon. Ki Profesor ketika college berkunturu ki samla puli na ki department beper-per ki balawan bani simenta ban pukut no ya katayo lekmen ka basisin sistem la penyat ru ya kani ka program da samla Jason Lennox norum kum samla puli na kani ka college la pun phu pun pingru ya kani ka cimpukut ya katayo lekmen ki samla puli da ka jing simenta ki samla puli lang baki jing shat baki jing rai tan rai ka bala pesutanat bat ai jing honru ya baro ki baladon menta ketika sngi Hakanehi kasngi ka college kelas samru ki kusnam beper-per sekinong job. Ki bala job ki jing khon beper-per kum ka debate competition. Ka jing kop set kerembut, ka jing kop shat, ka jing kop ruai, bat ki ki jing kop. Hakabai ki kusnam la samdu MLA ka numpuk konstituensi ubak Meral Bonds im kum kongsan barangkat ka jing rabru ki profesor jong ka college.
asked their father to coordinate together with all the faculty members, with all the teaching, non-teaching staff, and we want to see that the college will rise from in the time to come. At the same time, the coordination between the faculty member, the teachers, with the students in different departments, it is very important. As the team, as it has been rightly put, in unity we can make a change. This is what we want at present day generation. It is very important that unity has to be there within the management, within the faculty member, within the teacher, within the student, all will live like a family and happy family. As we know, our beautiful country is a country with unity in diversity. So many religions, so many castes, so many creeds, they all live together in peace and harmony. And it is very important also, as the theme has been rightly put forward, the strength of unity has to be there. Thank you so much to the President, to the Secretary, to all office bearers of the Student Union. I am happy to see the principal of the DIPA and listen to such a beautiful speech. Let me start by talking something about a family. A family which includes of a father, a mother, and the children. A joint family which includes of a grandparent, a mother, a father, a sister, a cousin, a niece, all living together. In Meghalaya, it is a state, it is a matrilineal family system. We will find very less joint family living here compared to the family in other part of our country. Bhoi College is like a family which have the faculty member, their teaching staff, their non-teaching staff, especially the students. Thousands and thousands of students studying here, coming from different backgrounds, coming from different villages, coming from different castes, creed, religion. They are all living together like a family. What I would like to foresee in future is that the Bhoi College has been born and brought up. Many difficulties has been there in the past to be like this today. But this is a part of life that we have to go through. And at the same time, I would like to see that the Bhoi College will go up. It will perform well in the years to come, and it will live